Hi everyone, my name is Jeremy Morgan and welcome to my course, The Go Standard Library. The Go Standard Library provides you with pre-written, tested code to solve common problems in your applications. Learning how to use the standard library will help you develop faster by using code packages that you didn't have to write. And it's maintained by the Go team. In this course, we will learn how to leverage the standard library so you can build better applications faster in Go. Some of the major topics that we will cover include building command line applications, handling input and output with buffers, a deep dive into formatting strings and data, and building your own logging program with Go. By the end of this course, you'll know how to leverage the power of the standard library to build applications faster. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with Go programming. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn the standard library with the Go Standard Library course at Pluralsight.